I'm literally so curious about this. When lipsticks go half off, I have little to no control sometimes, okay? I don't think that's gonna be a secret, but this particular purchase, this particular order, I was very excited about. So recently, the Ulta sale was happening. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even talk about the Ulta sale because I kind of forgot that it was happening, and also it was boring. It was so boring. There was not a lot that I was really excited about. Also because I feel like I just really love my indie brands, and you can't get that at Ulta. So I'm becoming less and less interested with, you know, the main makeup spots. Anywho, let me show you these lips because these are from Juvia's Place and I'm literally so excited. So I got a couple of lipsticks and then I got the volumizing lip balm. Is that what it's called? Volumizing gloss stick, excuse me. But I picked up a handful because I really feel like these are quality. I'm so excited to try them. So I want to try this gloss stick first because I've actually heard really nice things about these. I know MAC has them, the Makeup by Mario. There's a couple other like drugstore dupes, but I was really excited to try this. I really love the Makeup by Mario ones. Oh my god, I love those. But I think it's like $24 for like a full size one. You can get a $24 one that's like a duo. Anyway, this was like $7, I think. Let me check. Yeah, so originally this is $15. I did get it for $7.50, which is just great. This is a shade that's not going to surprise anybody. It is the one that looks a little gray. Yeah. So this is the packaging. It's very cute. Doesn't feel weighted or anything. Just click up. Cannot unclick it. Okay, you cannot. Don't click it all the way out and then, yeah. I mean, you can do what you want with your makeup, but I don't really want to waste this, so. This is the shade Sugar Cookie, by the way. I have a little bit of lip liner on, but I just kind of want to take a little tiny bit of this. I'm truly so excited for this tone. Ooh, oh, that texture, Jesus, that feels divine. Minty? I don't think it smells like any. Lord, look at how shiny my lips look. Holy crap. The texture is lovely. Obviously, I love that tone. It's kind of like a more neutrally gray leaning, cool tone brown, which I just absolutely love so much. I love gray tones. If you're new here, hi, I love gray tone lips so much. I also love orange tone lips. I love rusty tones. I love more alt-leaning, grungier undertones when it comes to lipsticks or lip products in general. But this, I feel like it's so stunning. This is so pretty. I'm gonna put like a little bit more on. That does have a bit of like pigment to it too. Like that's not super sheer. There was like a tingling happening or like a kind of a fresh like minty feel. You know the volumizing lip products, like the plumping lip products that feel more minty? That's what's kind of happening. It doesn't feel painful. I'm gonna sit for a second and see. But so far I have to say I'm very impressed with the shine, with the texture. It is so plush, not sticky whatsoever. I do not like sticky. When you go like that and there's like the string, oh no, it's a no from me. You can see in the tube too, like it might get a little bit messy at the top. Very standard to the other products like this that I've used, but truly a fraction of the price. Also because I bought it half off. Wow, I'm obsessed with this. I think this looks great. I would also layer this and wear this with probably every lip liner possible. So this is a huge win to me. I really, really like this so far. I cannot get over how much shine there is. That is like glass. Anyway, let me know if you've tried these or if you have a favorite shade, please leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup content and I will catch you in the next video. Bye. Thrilled with that. Thrilled.